In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new task in Clickup, which is a handy tool for managing projects and tasks efficiently. First things first, if you haven't done so already, head over to the Clickup website. It's your central hub for all the various task management features that Clickup offers. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Click on the login button usually found at the top right corner of the page. For users who have linked their Google account to ClickUp, there's a straightforward way to access your workspace. Simply select the option to sign in with Google. This connects your Google account, offering a seamless login experience. After selecting this option, you might need to choose the Google account you wish to use if you have multiple accounts. Once logged into your ClickUp dashboard, your next move is to navigate to the appropriate location where you want to create your new task. Depending on your project organization within ClickUp, this usually means selecting a specific list where the task will live. This step is crucial as it keeps your tasks organized within the right project framework. With the right list open, you will want to add a task. Locate the Add Task button, which is designed to stand out for easy accessibility. Clicking this opens a new task form where you can start entering details. Naming your task is the first step in this section, helping to identify it quickly and easily among other tasks. Following the task name, there's the opportunity to add a more detailed description. This is very useful for supplying context or specifics that are necessary for completing the task. It ensures that anyone reviewing this task has a comprehensive understanding of what needs to be accomplished. Another important aspect of task management is assigning responsibility. Click on the Assignee option to designate the team member responsible for executing the task. This step is crucial for accountability within any collaborative environment. Setting a due date is also recommended to keep things on schedule. This can be done by selecting the due date feature, ensuring that there's a timeline in place for the task's completion. Prioritizing your task is also essential as it signals the urgency and importance to everyone involved. Click on Priority to set this according to the task's necessity. To further organize and categorize, add tags to your task. These serve as keywords that can help in grouping similar tasks, making retrieval and tracking much more efficient over time. Finally, once you've filled out all necessary details, click on Create Task to finalize and save. Congratulations, you've successfully created a new task in ClickUp. This method keeps your workflow clear and organized, enhancing productivity across your projects. Keep practicing these steps and you'll be managing tasks like a pro in no time.